Welcome to the Netiquette Next. Hello viewers, welcome back. In today's amazing video, I will be telling you how we can download and install the WordPress and how we can make an amazing website of our own for ourselves and how we can manage its database, and we can do a lot of much more things. I will be telling you how we can use different plugins in it. First step is I shall go to the start menu, and here I'm gonna search XAMPP, and XAMPP appeared. I'm gonna go to its control panel. It's working right now. Here I have to start the Apache and the MySQL. I have started it and now it has started. We shall close it. Now we shall go to the browser, and here I'm searching localhost/phpMyAdmin. Here we go. We will be creating database for our website. It is working right now. We have to use localhost to create the database. Here phpMyAdmin localhost has appeared, and here I'm gonna go on to create the database name. Here I'm gonna write the tech vlog because it is vlogging, so we have to click on the create, and now our database has created. It will be created after when we will be installing WordPress. So now here localhost and then tech vlog is our database name. Here we go. I already have downloaded the WordPress, but I'm gonna show you from where we can download the WordPress. Here we have to write the download and WordPress. Here it appeared, download WordPress 6.2.2 is the latest version. We are going to download it. I'm gonna cancel it right now because I already have downloaded it. It was just to show you how and from where we can download the WordPress. Here my WordPress appeared. Here I have extracted its files, so here is my WordPress. It is being extracted. When it will be extracted, we will go to the next step. Here we go. It's probably done. And now here my WordPress, I have to copy this folder. I'm gonna copy it, and these files have been extracted all. I have to copy this folder. Now we are going to copy this from here, copy and go to the XAMPP. Here is the folder htdocs. We have to paste the copied folder here. I have pasted it and it is being pasted. After it will be pasted, we have to change the name of our file however we want. Now I'm gonna rename it, that is tech vlog. I have renamed it. Now we shall go back to the localhost, and I have written the name of my extracted file name, that is tech vlog, and localhost will be directly connecting us with that data. Here I have to choose language. You can choose any language if you have expertise in these languages. I'm gonna go choose the English and continue. Here is the database name, and let's go WordPress. Its name was tech vlog, and the username we can write any, but here we have to write the root. We shall leave the password empty, and database host is localhost and table prefix is WordPress. Now submit. Run the installation. We are going to install the WordPress. Run the installation. We have clicked it, and now we have to write the site title, which is tech vlog. The username, which was admin tech, and we now have to write the password of our liking, which we can remember. Here I have write it. It is giving me option that my password is weak, and now I'm writing the email and then discarded search engine from, because my site now is not able to show the world, so I am right now discouraging search engines from indexing this site to the public, and confirm use. Yes, install WordPress. I have to install and click on it. I have clicked it. It is being processed. Now while it is being processed, I'm gonna tell you when my site, our site, will be able to see the world. We will be doing the latest process, which is really amazing. Here is my username and the password, and we are going to log in it. I have clicked on it and it is now being processed. This is the dashboard. This is the dashboard of our website, and here we have a lot of other options. We can post anything we want, media, people can comment, we have a lot of pages, and we can use plugins. And here is the dashboard and tech vlog. We shall visit to the site. Right now it is look like this because it is not completed. We didn't have any work to write here right now, but we will be working on it, and afterward it will be mind-blowing really, and people can see it differently when it will be public. Right now public can see it. We shall go back to the dashboard. That was for now. In the next video I will be telling you how we can use different plugins and what is the real use of the website, how we can manage it. Hope to see you again. Please like our videos, share them, and subscribe our channel. Thank you.